When merging lanes, we recommend following the acronym SMOG. S stands for signaling, M stands for mirrors, O stands for looking over your shoulder, G stands for gradually merging across the lane. G really stands for go, but we recommend that you gradually merge across the lane to avoid cutting off a card. S stands for signaling. We recommend letting the indicators blink continuously for at least 3 blinks before changing lanes. You should also avoid leaving on the indicator for too long if you're not going to merge anymore. Next, M in SMOG stands for mirrors. Take 1 or 2 glances at the mirror and determine if it is clear to merge lanes if there are no cars in your neighboring lane, or you can see the width or 2 headlamps of the cars in your neighboring lane. If you can only see 1 headlamp or the side of the car, it means that the neighboring car is too close to you and it is not safe to change lanes. O is for over the shoulder. You want to lean forward and turn your chin past your shoulder. Some drivers simply turn their heads without looking for a target. Instead, you want to turn your chin past your shoulder and scan with your peripheral vision. You are trying to identify for any objects in the spot that your side mirrors cannot spot. Lastly, G is for gradually merging across the lane. Once the neighboring lane is clear, you want to look straight and gradually merge across the lane incrementally. You want to avoid sudden and abrupt lane changes.